So as you walk in, on your right, you've got a desk and table with a desk lamp and all the other bits. A little ironing board. And you've got the massive king bed, TV, and then views of Abu Dhabi. Wardrobe space. Oops. Tea and coffee making facilities. Mini fridge. Now into the bathroom. Immediately to the left, the shower cubicle. It's absolutely huge in here. Don't know if this shows you the size of it, but it's massive in there. It's about the size of 2 shower cubicles. Freestanding bathtub. Two sinks. And then toilet and bidet.